Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can delete your saved passwords in the Google Chrome web browser really quickly. So let us get started right away. Head over to Google Chrome, and what you want to do first, guys, is click on these three dots in the top right. And after that, head over or click into settings here to access your browser settings. And here on the left hand side, inside your browser settings, select autofill and passwords. And here on the right hand side, simply select Google Password Manager. After that, you will be redirected to Google Password Manager. So you may, for instance, go through your passwords and edit them if you like. However, guys, if you'd like to delete all of them at once, the saved passwords, simply select settings here. And here under settings, head over to this option, delete all Google Password Manager data, and confirm by clicking on delete data there. Now, after that, you will get asked to confirm that because that's an important decision. So I don't want to do that. I would like to keep my passwords, so I'm not going to do that. But that's how you delete your saved passwords in the Password Manager data here on Google Chrome. The second option, guys, would be to access your browsing data and to delete any autofill and passwords from there. To do that, again, click on these three dots here in the top right corner of your home screen. After that, select delete browsing data. And last but not least, go through that list here and simply make sure that passwords and other sign-in data and autofill is selected by simply selecting the checkbox next to it, and confirm by clicking on delete data here. You may also go with a time range like all time, for example, if you'd like to delete all passwords that have been saved so far in your Google Chrome web browser. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.